Alright everybody, this is a inlet knock sensor on an RV. I'm going to remove it here for you guys. It's usually on the outlet of the turbo side. Sometimes it's in the DPF on the inlet side. But on this case, it's right after the turbo. And the sensor bolts into the turbo, but the connector part is on the rear valve cover. Now, you're going to want to unclip it first. I like to use a little pick, open it up, and then bigger pick, and pull it out. Just be careful, those little clips like to break. Now I'm just going to use a 7 milli socket, little ratchet, and just undo those bolts. But you want to be careful because it has two grommets, one on top and one on bottom. The bolt on both bolts, it has two bolts, so you want to be real careful. I like to just loosen the bolts with the ratchet and then do it by hand so I can catch the grommets and remove them by hand. Sorry about the camera angle. I'm trying to get a little better at recording these. I'm just using my phone for right now, so looks like it's better if I would tilt my phone. I'd greatly appreciate any comments you guys have. Let me know what I can do better to make these videos better. See, that's the grommet right there. It has one on top and on the bottom, so you want to get on the bottom and get the other one. Remember, this is an RV, so this is a real tight spot in here. It's hard to reach and hard to put the camera on, get a good angle. There's the other grommet. Now there's the connector part of the sensor. I'm going to get those grommets out. Make sure they don't fall, because it's very hard to find sometimes. Now you see the sensor is right there, right on the outside of the turbo, the outlet side of the turbo. You can see it right there. It has a little shield on it. Now what I'm going to do here is remove the shield first so we can have some room. It's just the 8 milli bolt there. Now sometimes these bolts like to get really stuck and rusted in there, so be careful. If they get rusted, I like to get a little punch and just smack them a little bit, loosen up all the rust in there, and then loosen it. Luckily, this one wasn't too bad, but sometimes you will get some that are really stuck. Broke those free. Now I'm just gonna take them off by hand. It's a shield. Now this knock sensor is 7/8, so you want to just get a wrench, try to break it free. Sometimes I like to put some PB Blast in it, let it soak for a while. These things too like to get rusted up in there and not want to break free. Now in this case, it was a little too tight and not enough room, so I had to get this socket. This socket is, you can find it on Amazon, something. It's pretty much a 7/8 sensor socket. These things work wonders for these type of sensors. I recommend getting one. Also using a flex head ratchet, so it helps when these RVs locations you can't really get to it, so you can maneuver it a little bit more. As you can tell, I'm just doing little by little. Just pretty much sometimes what you got to do. I just switched up to a wrench. Make it a little easier, not just those little strides. Now that it's a little looser, you can use a wrench in there. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll be posting an install video later, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's just in reverse. Well, thank you. Make sure to like,